This video talks about SPM Mathematics Paper 2 for 2023. Question number 14 and question number 15. Question number 14. A. This question is about how the depth of water in a watershed varies over time. The depth of water changes over time. When the height of the water reaches the maximum level, a water gate opens to release water until the water level returns to its minimum. Diagram 8 shows a complete cycle of the depth of water, in m, in the watershed. Based on Diagram 8, state the minimum level, in m, of the water in the watershed. Looking at the graph, the lowest point of the curve is at 1 meter. So, the minimum level is 1 m. 2. State the length of time, in hours, that the gate of the watershed is open. This means how long is the gate open? From the graph, the gate opens when the water level is at its highest, at 1 hour, which is 3 meters, and closes when the water level is at its lowest, at 3 hours, which is 1 meter. The length of time is 3 minus 1. Therefore, the gate is open for 2 hours. B. 1. Write down the equation of the graph, in the form, y equals a sine bx plus c, where a, b and c are constant. In a trigonometric function, y equals a sine bx plus c. A is the amplitude. Amplitude is the maximum distance, measured from the center line, for trigonometric function. For this sine function, it has an amplitude of 1, because the graph goes 1 unit up and 1 unit down from the midline of the graph. B affects the period. Period is the interval of one complete cycle. This sine function has a period of 4 hours. One full cycle completed from 0 to 4 hours. Use the formula. Period is equal to 360 divided by b. It has a period of 4 hours. Simplify as b equals 360 divided by 4. b equals 90 degrees. C affects the position of the graph of the function. It moves the entire graph up or down vertically. This sine wave is centered at 2. This means the entire wave has been shifted upward by 2 units, compares to basic sine wave, which is centers at 0. The basic sine wave is centered at 0. The graph moves 2 units upward. C equals to 2. Therefore the equation written as y equals sine 90x plus 2. B. 2. Hence, find the depth of water, in meter, when the time is 150 minutes. When x equals 150 minutes, convert minute to hour. 150 divided by 60 equals 2.5 hours. Substitute x equals 2.5 into the equation obtained from part 1. Y equals sine 90 times 2.5 plus 2. Y equals sine 225 degrees plus 2. From trigonometry, sine 225 equals minus 0.707. The value of y equals 1.2929. Therefore, the depth of water at 150 minutes is approximately 1.2929 meters. C. During rainy season, the depth of the water will rise from the initial level to the maximum level faster. A complete cycle will happen every 2 hours. This tells us that the wave pattern is happening more quickly than before. The period, how long it takes to complete one full wave, is now 2 hours, instead of 4 hours. Find the value of b by using the formula for the period. Period equals 360 degrees divided by b. Given that the period is now 2 hours, 2 equals 360 over b. The value of b is 180 degrees. Forming an equation. Y equals sine 180x plus 2. Complete the graph in the answer space for the depth of water during rainy season. Plot a table with the given various x value. Calculate the value of y through the equation obtained. When x equals 0, substitute into the equation y equals 2. When x equals 0.5, y equals 3. When x equals 1, y equals 2. When x equals 1.5, y equals 1. When x equals 2, y equals 2. When x equals 2.5, y equals 3. When x equals 3, y equals 2. When x equals 3.5, y equals 1. When x equals 4, y equals 2. Then, plot the points on the graph. 0, 2. 0.5, 3. 1, 2. 1.5, 1. 2, 2. 2.5, 3. 3, 2. 3.5, 1. And 4, 2. Connect the points with a curved line. A graph of sine function, y equals sine 180x plus 2, is formed. Alternative method. Since a complete cycle occurs every 2 hours, there will be 2 complete cycles between 0 and 4 hours. The original graph shows 1 complete cycle over 4 hours. But if the cycle repeats every 2 hours, then 2 full cycles will fit within that same time interval. 2. By comparing diagram 8 and your graph in C1. Explain what the difference in frequency of both graphs means in the context of the equation. In graph C1, the water gate opens once to release water, whereas in diagram 8, the water gate opens twice within a 4-hour period. Question number 15. A. If 2 matrices are equal, their corresponding elements must also equal. 7 is equal to 7. 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, x plus 3 equals minus 1. X equals minus 4. Minus 2 equals 5y. Y equals minus 2/5. B1. A supermarket sells boxes of sushi and pieces of fried chicken. Lily spent Rm55 on 3 boxes of sushi and 2 pieces of fried chicken. Kelly spent Rm20 more compared to Lily on 4 boxes of sushi and 3 pieces of fried chicken. Using matrix method, calculate the price of a box of sushi and of a piece of fried chicken. Let the price of a box of sushi be x, and the price of a piece of fried chicken be y. 3 boxes of sushi, 3x, and 2 pieces of fried chicken, 2y. 3x plus 2y equals 55. 4 boxes of sushi, for X. And 3 pieces of fried chicken, 3Y. For X plus 3Y. Kelly spent Rm20 more compared to Lily, that's 55 plus 20. For X plus 3Y equals 75. Express the simultaneous linear equations as a matrix equation. Transpose the coefficient matrix from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, in front of the constant matrix. And convert it to inverse matrix. Let's recall the formula of the inverse matrix. The determinant AD minus BC 3 times 3 minus 2 times 4. Swap the elements in the main diagonal 3 and 3. And put negatives in front of 2 and 4. Minus 2 and minus 4. We have the determinant 9 minus 8 equals 1. Multiply the two matrices. The first row, first column. 3 times 55 plus minus 2 times 75. And the second row, first column. Minus 4 times 55 plus 3 times 75. The column matrix 15 and 5. The solution to the simultaneous linear equations is x equals 15 and y equals 5. Therefore, the price of a box of sushi B is Rm15. The price of a piece of fried chicken is Rm5. B2. Jane has Rm50. She wants to buy 2 boxes of sushi and 8 pieces of fried chicken. Does she have enough money to buy these items at the discounted price? Justify your answer by using matrix multiplication. If a 20% discount is applied to a box of sushi, 80% of the amount must be paid. The price of a box of sushi after a discount of 20% equals 15 times 80%. That's 12 ringgit Malaysia. With a 40% off for a piece of fried chicken, 60% of the price remains payable. The price of a piece of fried chicken after a discount of 40% equals 5 times 60%. That's 3 ringgit Malaysia. By using matrix multiplication, write 2 boxes of sushi and 8 pieces of fried chicken as a row matrix, 2, 8. And their prices as a column matrix, 12, 3. Do the multiplication. 2 times 12 plus 8 times 3 equals 48. Therefore, Jane has enough money to buy these items, because it needs only Rm48, and Jane has Rm50. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. To be continued, see you soon.